Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm talking about LiveGood, right? If you haven't heard of LiveGood, this opportunity is blowing up right now. Thousands of people are joining this opportunity every single week. And you might be one of the people that's like, you know what? I've heard about it, but I'm not sure if I should join this opportunity or not. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you a little motivation, and I'm pretty sure by the time you get done watching this, you're gonna be ready to live good. All right, so here's the thing. There are many reasons why you should join LiveGood. There's many reasons why I joined LiveGood a few months ago, and I'm loving this opportunity so far. But there is one benefit about LiveGood that a lot of people talk about, but I think a lot of people really kind of gloss over, and a lot of people kind of look at it as spammy or unrealistic or far-fetched or whatever you want to call it, but it's the earning potential. All right. So one thing when you're taking the LiveGood tour, you're watching the video, one thing you notice is the owner says, with LiveGood, you have the possibility to be able to earn $2,047.50 without ever having to sell anything or recruit anybody, right? Think about that. To be able to earn $2,047.50 every month without having to sell anything, without having to recruit, how the hell is this possible, right? So the owner says this, so a lot of people, right, all of the LiveGood haters, they be posting in forums and, talking on, YouTube, and they're like, yo, this is a scam. This ain't real, blah, 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 right? So what people don't understand is it does actually make sense how this is possible, because what the owner is saying is by the growth of this company, at the rate the company is growing, when people keep joining, people have to go underneath current members of LiveGood. So eventually a lot of what they call spillover is going to be created, which means whenever, like, for example, the person who I joined, my sponsor, say they grinding, they're getting members and members and members, eventually their little team, their little matrix is going to fill up. All the spots are going to be gone at some point. So where are those people going to start going? Where are their new recruits going to start going? They're going to start trickling down to me. Right? So people that join me eventually, right, long as the company keeps growing, I'm going to create spillover for people underneath me. So the idea of being able to earn $2,000, over $2,000 a month is real. It's possible. Now, where some people get twisted is like, wait, so all I got to do is sign up and I'm just going to start getting money like next week? No, right? It all depends on the growth of LiveGood. The more people that join the company, the higher chance you're gonna get of receiving spillover. So for all the people that's just like, yeah, man, that ain't real. They just talking, right? They just running their mouth. This is scam, spam, whatever you want to call it. But I just want to ask you this. All right, you watching this, you on the fence. Just what if that was 100% sure? What if this was real? What if the earning potential was real? What if what I just told you was real and spill over the way the company growing? What if you had the opportunity to earn up to over $2,000 a month just by doing nothing, just by staying a member? Just vibe out for a second. Just think that if in a year or 2 years, even 3 years, you was earning $2,000 and you didn't sell or recruit not a damn thing. Just think. Oh, that's dope, right? That's dope right there. Just the thought of that is worth joining LiveGood. And what's great about LiveGood, it's only $10 to stay as an active member. $10 a month. You are giving yourself the opportunity to potentially earn over $2,000 a month without having to sell or recruit anybody. Now, here's the thing with that. Even if, say, the company is growing, because right now LiveGood is on fire, right? I ain't gonna lie to you. This is the time to join because thousands of people are joining. So the quicker you join, once again, the quicker and the higher chance you're gonna have of earning spillover in the future. But I will say this, think about it. Even if just say in a year from now, right? You start getting spillover. Think about this. You start getting spillover, right? But you didn't max out at your 2,047 and 50 cents. But imagine if, you was only getting, extra $400 a month or extra $500 a month from LiveGood just because you stayed a member and you've been slacking, you ain't recruit nobody, you ain't been promoting. But just imagine even if you was getting that extra a month, would it be worth that $10 that you've been paying, right? To be a member of LiveGood, right? So, and I hate to just keep talking about the $10 as a member, but don't forget, if you are into the health and wellness, like that $10 is well worth it because now you're getting discount products. You're getting discount supplements, to help your health and all that good stuff. So you got all that going on. Plus, you are constantly keeping yourself in a position to make money, right? And the beauty about this is, even if you start getting spillover because your ass ain't been doing nothing for a year or two, but maybe one day you might just wake up like, yo, I like this making money, man. I'm about to really start promoting this now, right? So now it opens up way more earning potential for those people that decide to actually take LiveGood serious and make it a business. Because I always tell people, yes, it is possible to earn over $2,000 a month without doing anything. But the earning potential that you have, if you want to actually take this serious and make it a business, it is way more than some damn $2,000 a month, right? And that's the mindset that I have, all right? Over $2,000 a month, that would be super dope, super cool, right? For doing nothing. But imagine putting some effort in and getting $10,000, $15,000 a month. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you see why joining LiveGood could be very beneficial to you and your online earning potential. So if you're ready to take the LiveGood tour and get started on my team, Team Diamond, click that link in the description and get started. And I will see you on the team.